What is the best language learning tool in 2026? Yash, I'm Roman, I'm Jamaican, I'm a teacher, and I'm a polyglot. I've been using language learning tools for years, decades even, and today I will be telling you about the one that reigns supreme. If you'd like to know which tool this is, you have to stay until the end of the video. Number one, it is completely free. There's no need to a pro version to have any unique access. This tool is 100% functional in its free state. Number two, privacy comes first. With this tool, there's no need to put your photos. In fact, you can't put any personal photos. You use avatars and it is simply anonymous unless you, of course, give out your personal information. Number three, customization. This is one of the best customization systems I've ever seen with any language tool. It allows you to search for people based on age, country, the language they speak, the level at which they speak that language, the city they're in, the country they're in. If you prefer to have pen pals with whom you write, or people with whom you could meet in person, or people with whom you could speak via chatting apps like WhatsApp and so forth. The search engine is so specific. You could even put in the age of the person, the gender of the person, and many more. I simply love this customization tool because it really allows me to choose the ideal language partner that I would like to have. Number four, it has a true pedagogical tool. With this tool, you can highlight mistakes, underline mistakes, bar out words, bold words, change the font of the words, sizing of the word. There's so much you can do with this tool. I simply love it. Whenever you are exchanging with someone, you're correcting the person, or simply you're sending a message and you'd like to highlight certain points, you are able to do all of this. It's an amazing tool that is ideal for language learning and language exchange. Number five and last, authentic exchanges. This tool, of course, which you would have got there by now, allows to meet with real people. They don't have to be natives, but if you have a preference, you could search for natives and you can have real conversations. The downside, like with any language learning tool, is that you have to sift through the crowd. For me, for example, I've met people through the app with whom we're still friends. We've been friends for years.
ローモンさん、こんばんは。ビデオありがとうございます。
Eso sí, ¿qué pasa con una pizza $13? Una pizza $13.
In your opinion, what are the basic skills people should learn?
With that said, it is now time for the reveal, the name of this language learning tool. Conversation Exchange. It is a website, a language learning platform that allows you to exchange with people of like-minded interests. The only downside, I suppose, is that it is not available in app format, meaning an application where you can download and always have with a little icon on your phone. You always have to go direct to the website, but you can just simply save the browser page. That's what I do, and it works fantastic. If you know Conversation Exchange, let me know in the comments down below, let me know your experience, and if you don't know it, check it out and let me know what you think. With this said, if you're interested in other language learning videos or tips or language apps and so forth, let me know and I can make other similar content. With that said, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.